Well, if you have Peyton Manning in your NFL Fantasy Football League, then you racked up a ton of points yesterday. Of course, last night was the first game of the NFL football season and started off with a bang. Obviously, the Ravens defense did suffer with the retirement of Ray Lewis and Paul Kruger's move in free agency over to Cleveland. They got killed 49-27, and it was a tale of two halves. And much like yesterday's game was a tale of two halves, the mortgage bonds had a tale of two completely opposite days. Good morning, I'm Jed Wonderly with the Las Vegas Mortgage Market Minute. So yesterday, the jobless claims, both initial and continuing, were bad for interest rates. That, along with a little other cursory economic news, at least as far as tapering is concerned, really helped bonds to tank, kind of sent bonds spiraling downward, and the result, of course, was a big move up in rates, relatively speaking. This morning, we got a bit of a respite when the non-farm payrolls came out quite a bit below expectations. So they didn't meet expectations this month, and they were revised drastically downward for July. So both of those things helped bonds to recover. In fact, they've already recovered all of yesterday's losses, which is amazing. The anomaly in the whole situation is that the unemployment rate, which was expected to drop to 7.4%, dropped to 7.3%. And of course, we know that that's because of the lack of labor force participation, not because a whole lot of jobs were created. So as people stop looking for jobs because they get discouraged, they're no longer included in the unemployment rate calculations, which is what has happened here. This could potentially stave off the tapering process until October, though I have heard rumblings that Obama has even said he's going to start tapering, effectively making him the Fed chair. Of course, we know that Bernanke is really a lame duck and on his way out. I believe basically by next year, mid-next year, he hopes to have the tapering process completed by the middle of next year, but still no definitive word on when the process is going to begin. So still could happen this month, might happen in October, don't know, may even happen later than that, but it doesn't sound like it. So go ahead and lock those loans, take advantage of today's great movement, and have a great weekend. Make today great, and we'll see you on Monday. Take care now. Bye-bye.